Hiya, it's Adam here with this Honda Odyssey 2007 again. Now today I've come and folded all my seats out as per another video that I've done, so look that one up. What I've done is just come in and measured up this space, because what I would like to do is to make a little deck that I could fold out. So I've basically measured the length, and I've measured the two separate widths here. See, it's a little bit wider in there, a little bit narrower here, and so I've measured those spaces, and now I'm going back into the shed to see what wood I've got and draw up a plan. Here I am in the garage now. I've drawn up a little plan, as you can see, 130 centimeters wide at the widest point, 101, 102 down the narrow end towards the back of the car. Overall it's about 191 centimeters long, but I can move the seats forward and make that longer if I need to. Now my overall plan is to be able to make something that I can fold up using hinges, so that I can fold it up, take it out of the car and fold the seats back out. And what I'm going to use to do this is some recycled plywood, which I have taken from pallets, and to cut this up accordingly to be able to fold something up and make a platform that can be laid out in the back of the car. I have decided to divide this plan up into 4 pieces. 2 pieces, which will be the top part up there, will be 62.5 by 75. So you can see this one here and that one there, 2 of those. And 2 will be 120 by 51. So this will be this area here, a little bit more of a longer thin piece there. And as you can see, I've got these 2 pieces here. If I just pan back, these 2 pieces here are both going to be the 51 by 120. And underneath, I'm going to cut 2 pieces, which are 62.5 by 75. Well, I'm not going to do it now because it's about 8 o'clock at night and the neighbours might complain. So I'll do this tomorrow morning and we'll follow it up from there. As per the drawings, I've cut these pieces of plywood. And now I think it would be prudent to go and pop them in the car and see if they fit. Now the great thing about putting these things in place is that, one, I've realised that those 2 pieces up the top I had around the wrong way, so they're now a little bit more portrait, each of them, side by side there. And then also now I realise that I'm going to have to cut some curves on the bottom of these to fit them inside the car. Once these are all joined together with hinges, I will have to have something to support this back end. Right, so this is the idea. Fold it up into 4. It's all cut into shape now, and let's just fold this bit over. Yep. And then as easy as that. Now, shall we go see if that fits in the car? So I've popped that into the car. I've already folded it half out. and I've popped a couple of 4x2s in just to support this bottom end of the platform. Now if I fold out this last bit here, easy as that. You've got a nice platform which is about 2 meters long by 1 meter wide at its shortest point, so plenty of room. If you found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.